asomi ya kusema gorobenki ya umwanchi umurigere rwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwo magusingwe gena litkoria ondigendrete ko bari toero rukigima nane no gendrete kwegokya asoko bwatia emeroberio yonsi meyegetaseni kiga ekerorire litkoria ijuma tariki 15 ne monchi mutinyo kabere omwaka no iwechi bibere na meronko ebere nene na manga gendrete gokorekana imense ya Kenya ekromura iwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto agendrete ko cha kyabene meroberio au yamagendro ime ye county ya Nyeri anene chinga kyagendrete kwegerera umurobero bubwa gachwe chinyomba aseri gori ya isekegima nekero turoche buna sense moyo burendi gosase chwizara cyo burendi nigo chigendrete kubeke mirobere mekranu yoko ine kyabuna ya marwa atancheri mense ya Kenya abeire kagoika omwerio anekero ya rokana buna egati abantu nigo baba bagusiria magimabo kubwatkana no konyoko marwa yo atancheri ime ye county ya Kirinyaga Charagire Chinsa Ikomi chabona mugoroba jinga kingo kwarigania SMS Amayia eri onkumanye ulanara yaya na kwariganirie asenchera ere yobwenye nyoramna semero berions na bagotanyora sensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube bagotanyora wetera Ndizi TV News boigo na boko yasoma wetera se website yaito www.ndizitv.net eri otogendere gusanga asobwamo Mwanchi umurigeria inyora buna oria tokubwatirana nere asensemo imanyererio nigakoro kwa Lydia Mose sara mumanyinero kaine kyachibichaniryo gichawe kera senchera ya bene eriatariane Everlyne Osero ngo kwariganio be ko gusanka na intweko mwerio Amayia ye Chinsa Ikomi chabona mugoroba so bwenge toko yachaka asomura iwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto litkoria lera gendrete netaro yaye imeye county ya Nyeri asagendrete goigora gosego chake bene mirubiro au yamagendro asoko ine buna abamenyi bense meyo babere bagokonyeka Ruto yobaga koigora gusego chakya umurobere bwa mache ensemo ya mathira nigabaga kwegerera engana yobore mimense ya Kenya no tabuna amachayo nachiko konya bare mikorwa se chinsemecho ase ogokinya rigesa bunenchira yemo yogokoro muchando bwenchara uyobero koinekiwa ase chinsemo au imeyese ya Kenya nechiga kibayigabaga koria eira yogochia gwekerania amagendro au korengana ne chira chiribabete bakuriera bananchi chingaki chiechi campaign asoko ine kiabuna ense ya Kenya yabereke guska busiona bakenya banke babere bagokonyeka
kama ya mbegu kama ya mbolea ilikuwa 7,000 sasa tumepunguza imekuja 2,000 vile ya kwamba tupanue mambo ya irrigation ndio tumekuja hapa ili tuanzishe hii mradi yenu ya iriaine ya maji. Hapa wana wakulima 3,500 tumekuja tukafungua leo. Na wakati nilikubaliana na DP ya kwamba tuna project. Huyu wa Mombi mbunge akatuambia huyu wa Mombi mbia tusikuje bure. Lazima tubebe sindio? So tuna ya kwamba ward ya Konyo na ward Magutu pia tumeweka milioni 100 ya kutengeneza maji ya Magutu. Nyenye mnanielewa? Ili baada ya miezi 6 ama miezi 8 turudi hapa tena. Wao pia wapate maji, wazalishe chakula, ndio tuhakikisha kwamba tunaondoa njaa.
Togos kabosioni gomo waziri boborendi bwa imekidhure kindiki alireira yogo chagokora amarwa atancheri ananase county ya Kirinyaga okwana chinga kichege karona bateneneri ba semo yoborendi ase sub county ya Mwea imeye county ya Kirinyaga nigo abwatoka egekurege tinde gochase baria bakoenga na boigo konia amarwa atancheri yani gago chamagega yabantu 15 babere gosiria magimabo korwa se county yo kobwatka kubwatikana n'obutumeki bwa marwayo asikiria enekire bune serikali wetera sechi wizara chionsi chioborendi nigo bachakire gokora obotuki obotindi erio kwenekia buna baria bonsi babere bakobwatira no sobali bonsi bakonyorekana asobo enkina boigo obone bwa marwayo nigo bachoko imukirwa egetamkiro egetinde korengana nerichiko nigo boiga enekia abuna kubwatikana nege korekyo asa abantu babete bagusiria magimabo nigo obotuki boigo borachi gokorekana erio korierera gose abo bisakorwa serikali mbubwatiranirira boigo abo bisa boborendi mona bagambi akoenekia buna babere bakoimukirwa egetambukero gati yabo goteneniwa emirimo yabo higati ebitambukero binde.
Because first and foremost we will conduct an impartial inquiry to find out exactly what happened, and the government has directed all the agencies responsible to carry out a multi-agency coordinated inquiry. And this inquiry will help us to establish if any of our officers had a role to play through their action or inaction, which led to the death of so many of our people. I want to promise on behalf of the government of Kenya that any officer, any public official from whatever agency of government who may have contributed to this terrible loss of life will have to face not only removal from the public service, but also we will prosecute each one of them. I also want to say that all the officers who have been asked to step aside, we have not made a determination yet whether they are responsible or not, and therefore we will conduct a fair inquiry so that we also don't punish innocent public servant.
Tuendelea kutigara sengane yokurwania amarwa tancheri mensa ya Kenya nigo banyanyimbo kurwase county ya Kericho banyara kubabeka byara aba onia bamarwayo tancheri yangu bwatkana no bunyabyo butindi obwabere bogokorekana ase Chinsa emecho irokweneki abuna omaru na obusaria bwekinjo obwabere bogokorwa obwo anene bokoretwa kubwatkana no butumeki bwamarwayo tancheri korengana no mukomanda abwo banyanyimbo ase sub county ya Kericho East Peter Mthuma nigaine kiamuna babere bagokora obonyabi obotindi ase Chinsa mochiria chikageire gotwara ibirengo bya igoro byobonya na boigo obotumeki bwa marwayo tancheri asekeria ruroko boria gochiase abananchi kwena kiabunangwa kabare chiroboti ekerobarore ebikora bunebyo erio gokonya asogokora oboenkyo bwa marwa tancheri na boigo gotoria abantu abo babe asa marwayo.
Make sure that tumemaliza. Hiyo ni kitu ambaye hatuwezi shindwa naye. As a public, kama ni kitu iliyo according to the law, let them desist from it. Sababu kitu kama chang'aa haina caps, haina standards, na ndio unaona inaua wananchi because inapikwa in a very standard way na bad chemicals because people are out.
Na magega y'umuraibe kyamakia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga koraria okogania kwaye gukonyira ribaga ase kirogo kyobo mo bwe Chinsa African Union nigo bono omo ose umurikyo munene ase kyombe kyabakore mirimo imense ya Kenya Kotu Francis Atwoli abereka wesokia nago kwanera engane gakorengana na Atwoli niga motogire Raila na oterana niga bwate obumanyi bwe kerengo kyigoro mono asamangana agati abamangana ge siasa na igo na isaine kwiraribaga ase kirogekyo ase njira ya moyo gochia gokonya ase gotoria orogongo rwa Afrika korwase amakongu yekingenjo nigatere buna omuri kyase kyombe kyabakore mirimo nigo irabe omogokoyo munene Raila aise koira kirogekyo na watana nigo baragendere kumubwatsia chinga kichonsi.
I know for sure Raila Amolo Odinga is up to the task. He can do the job. He has been tested. He understands the political, social, and economic dynamics of our country. He understands our boundaries. He understands our political differences from different nationalities and from different nations. under our continent of Africa, and I'm sure he will be able to settle a lot of problems facing this continent. One of the worst area on our continent right now is in Congo DRC, where people have got to agree and make sure, because Congo is close to us, if there is a problem there, it affects us. The other place is to make sure that we have political stability in Somalia and also in Ethiopia. When our neighbors are happy, Kenya, we are safe. When they have problems, Kenya, we have a big problem. And I'm sure Raila Amolo Odinga will be able to do a good job. And this is what we were hoping for. And therefore, I want to thank most sincerely the government of Kenya, which will front Raila Amolo Odinga as a
Omorikyo botambe ase wizara y'oburendi waime Raymond Omolo ni garurege kurege tindi gochiase oboibi bwa marimo ye serikali okona chinga kietaro ase county ya Migori rikorotota egetiegeke ye chindege ase nsemeyo bali nomorikyo botamba ase wizara y'obosombi Mohamed Dagar anigo aganirie bali bagutumeka oburemo bwa serikali konganya elio kwena nalibaga ase amagendero ya serikali gokorekana ase Chinsa mecho nigo nekebuna amagendro ao asebiti bechindege na chiwikiraniwa asenchireyemo yokoreta amagendro na bogokinia obosombi imense ya Kenya.
Encroachment by private individuals who have taken part of this government land, not just where this airport sits, but there are other government agencies, whether it's the prisons, whether it's Lake Basin Development Authority, whether it is the county government. And we are calling on those individuals to quietly vacate those premises.
We want every airstrip in this country to have a runway for at least 1.7 kilometers. With that, we will be able, to land full loads of a Fokker 50 or a Q400, that is a Dash 8, a 38-seater aircraft.
Nomo sangrekano bwaba bwatani ba magendro korwase Chinsemo ao nigo orobeire kwariganiwa imeye county ya Homa Bay oyorabe koko chaka chitariki emeronkebere na isano na ibere goika emeronkebere na kianda chumutienyo yega okabere o mwako yega omanyikantebu na International Investment Conference okwana chinga kiecho nigo mugavana we county ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga abeirega kwenekia okweroberia kwabo bwikiranu na na usina kwarigania ababwatani korwase Chinsemo ao asebo igaberega wakangambya mono gochiasibalia bonsi bagendrete ko babwatya sokone kyabuna umurobere yo obeire ko gwikirana asentra ya bene ni garuro koboya gochiase abamenyi be county ya Homa Bay kwene kyabuna nkwen ngworo kyabare chimbwa chire chingiya chingaki omurobere yo orabe ko gwikirana.
I want to ask our people of Homa Bay, whom we are also talking to continuously, to prepare to receive a large number of dignitaries and guests who will be attending this conference. They should be ready to also provide hospitality and other services that will be required by our guests. For our guests and investors, we are urging you to go to our website, www.hobic.com, where you can register as a delegate or as an investor. So we would like, or as an exhibitor. We are going to have exhibition booths here, and it will be a big opportunity. The whole country and the world will be convening in Homa Bay from 27th to 29th. We have several guests who have already confirmed.
Ne serikali wetrase wizara y'oburendi baimeni yagendrete kwenekia emeroberio emekiranu yogotinyia oburendi asinsemo ao imeyense ya Kenya okwana chinga kekiranitase sub county ya Eldas South imeye county ya Wajir eriko igora chia bisi chinene chia oburendi asensemeyo na kwenekia oko chaka emeremo komokonye bomo county commissioner omutangani nigo mwaziri boburendi baime Kithure Kindiki abereka goteba na ochaka eike gochani ni obarachko chaka kubwatoka chigari echio chitari kwegwa masasi gose bulletproof osiase abo busaburendi ase Chinsa mecho asabo igateruna abo bisambaje comment wasoko ine kyabuna ebirengo byoborendi byabere bigotinyiwa ase Chinsemo ao echio chigendrete kwenekia obosagani negatambukiro kyaberege kogokerwa negatiabara ikurwase ensemo yawajia bakorawa n'umugavana obo egatiabara ibande babere bagoteba buna n'umuroberio omwekiranu kegima uyora chigokonya gukinya obokoreri ase serikali ya county.
Nitaanza sasa program ambayo tunaanza wiki ijayo ya kupeana magari maalum ambayo tunaita kwa kimombo armored personnel carriers na zile zingine inaitwa mine resistant ambush protected vehicles ambayo iwezi kupigwa na bomu ya Al-Shabaab. Hiyo gari ule adui akiweka ile bomu ya kutega ardhini, bomu ndio inaumia, sio gari inaumia. Mimi nimeahidi tarekebisha mambo ya NPR na mambo ya hizo divisions zimebaki, na vile vile maneno ya amani baina ya Wajia na Isiolo na sehemu zingine ambazo ziko na matatizo.
What I've been telling the people is that this will bring services, the national government, closer to the people. And I also promised to devolve services of county government closer to the people, to take them to all sub-county headquarters, the ones that are not there.
Uliahidi watu ya Wajir West mambo mawili. Hiyo ilikuwa NBR na kusuluhisha wazee kufanya mazungumzo kati ya Isiolo na Wajir West. Watu ya Wajir West wako na
mwancho murigereri oyono orobati orona rogotereto mweri obwa Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ereyo bwenye korene na mange tragendere gukwarganiga kurwa semesa yaito ya Amayia yoraz konyora asenchera yo wikiranu yekoragense yemo na boigo Chinsa isato chamugoroba nere Vincent Nyanja ekebraj kubwatirana nere ndemo Stephen kurwa sensemo ye chigosori gono mwancho muri to bososkare endra kubwatia eryo tokumanye asobime na watka kurwa se Chinsinyo ao anene imeyense ya Kenya asemiroberi yonsi ya Ndizi TV tonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyora wetera Ndizi TV News waigona boko ya somase website yetu wetera www.ndizitv.net ile togendera gusanga asobwamo ile tariane Everlyne Osero oriawe ne kiachipicha ne ryogi chawe keire nigakoro kwa Sara Mumanyi na boigo Lydia Mose na twabwaterana asensemo yebimanyiriro ngukuganeria oburigereri borobya na boigo emagoroba irentwerero.